I'm the brand Fila. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be about like 5 I think custom Halloween costume that you can create with your own clothes. Obviously not everyone has this Harley Quinn t-shirt, but I just got it from Primark like 2 years ago. I don't know if they still have it, but I'm going to show you some outfits that you can do yourself at home. Let's get into it. So for Harley Quinn, obviously the first thing is to do her makeup and her hair. I don't have pink or blue hairspray, so I can't do the hairspray, but let's get into the makeup. So that is the makeup. I'm going to actually keep my hair down, but you can put your hair up if you want to do the full on Harley Quinn, but my hair's going to look a mess if I do that. And you can put hairspray in and everything, but this is the part. I think this is meant to be on that side, but oh well. I done this look last year, I'll link it down below. But onto the outfit. Now, because I don't have this here anymore, I can set my phone back. You can actually see my face. Whoop. But this is the outfit. I know normally she wears the blue and red shorts, but one, they're too short. Two, I haven't got a type of clothing like that in my wardrobe or drawer, and this is a video about how to style Halloween costume with clothes in your wardrobe. So this is the outfit. It's quite simple, but you can obviously see what I'm trying to be, especially with the makeup. And I actually love this. If I had a boyfriend, I would get him to do the Joker and that would be Harley Quinn. That's my dream. Well, my Halloween dream. But yeah, on to the next Halloween costume. Okay, so next one, as you can see, I've changed my top. Next one is a simple cat. So obviously we need to do some whiskers and a black nose and everything like that. So let's get into the makeup. So this is the cat makeup. Obviously I mainly got the idea off Pinterest, if I'm honest. So on Pinterest there is so many different tiles. Like some people put the black there, and obviously you can put lipstick on, but I think you can tell what it is without the lipstick. And it's so cute. So let me show you the outfit. So most cats' costumes on Pinterest are black. There is different types of cats. So you could do an all brown outfit, anything like that, but just put the cat whiskers on and then the brown or black eyeshadow. I think that's what makes it. You can put lipstick on as well, but this is the outfit. Again, it's pretty simple, but because of the makeup, you know what it is. And obviously you can get like cat ears and everything like that. Like do your nails black if you want to go all out. And yeah, on to the last two. These ones don't actually have makeup involved, so it's just the outfit. Some of you may not know what the outfit is. Looks like a normal day-to-day outfit, but it's actually meant to be Kim Possible, I think it is. The person who looks like that. So if you're a younger kid, don't know what year it came out, you might not know. This obviously in that photo she has ginger hair. I don't have ginger hair, so it would probably look more, and she wears more like just green. This tiny green jeans I like, but I quite like this outfit. I'm feeling myself, not literally like, damn, I look good. I never thought, one, that this belt would go through them holes, two, that this belt would go with them jeans, and I quite love brown and green now. So this is why I do these videos, because I found my new style. I already had this bag, but I never use it, but now I am, because I've got something to use it for when I actually go out again. But yeah, I love this outfit. I'm talking way too much on one outfit. So let's get into the last and final one. Last and final one is just like a funny one. This is the last and final outfit. This one is a weird one. Like I said, the last one is a kind of funny one, I would say. I wanted to pop some laughter in there. But if you can notice, I'm wearing all Fila. I've even got my Fila trainers on. Fila. Now, listen to this. This may sound stupid. This may not look like a costume at all. But when someone asks you, oh, what are you this year? Say, I'm the brand Fila, because you're wearing all Fila. Or be like, I'm the brand Nike. Obviously, if you've got leggings from Nike or Adidas and trainers and a hoodie and whatever, you can be more prepared. But I don't have Fila leggings. I'm pretty sure they do them though. So that was my idea from this. Comment down below what you think. But I don't know, it's kind of a laughter, like it's kind of a little joke, like costume that you can just be like to your friends.
I'm the brand Fila.
Like, I don't know. I don't think this is an actual, obviously it says Fila, but I think it was just for TK Maxx. I do not know, but this is another Fila top that I got from TK Maxx. And then these shoes I got from Shoe. They're actual Filas. But yeah, let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not already, hit subscribe, because I do fashion and beauty videos and a bit of lifestyle, like what I got for my birthday, what I got for Christmas and stuff like that. But any other type of lifestyle is on my vlogging channel. That is always in the description, so go check that out. And yeah, bye.